In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove ERPNext from your Frapp Cloud dashboard swiftly and securely. Now, whether you're doing this to clear out an old site or you're simply moving on to other projects, we've got you covered. But before we dive in, please note that this process will permanently delete all data associated with the site, and there's no going back. So make sure you've backed up any critical information before proceeding. First, let's navigate to your Frapp Cloud dashboard. This is your online control panel and the central hub for managing your Frapp managed services. Once you're logged in, you should see a list of all your available sites. Scroll through this list until you find the site you wish to remove ERPNext from. This step is crucial, as selecting the wrong site could lead to irreversible data loss. Double-check to ensure you are picking the correct site. After you've identified the site, direct your attention to the Actions button, usually located adjacent to your chosen site within the dashboard. By clicking on Actions, a small drop-down menu will appear. It's here that you'll find the Drop Site option. Selecting Drop Site is the action that will initiate the removal of the ERPNext instance from your particular site. At this point, the system will require confirmation that you indeed wish to proceed with deleting the site. An on-screen prompt will appear, asking you to confirm this. This confirmation step is another safeguard to ensure that no accidental deletions occur, given the irreversible nature of this action. Take a moment to reflect and affirm that this is indeed the course of action you wish to take. Confirm the deletion when ready. Now, after you've confirmed this step, it's important to remember that removing the site from your dashboard is final and includes the total eradication of all stored information on that site. If you have any lingering doubts, now's the time to revisit and ensure you've safely stored whatever you need from it. In some cases, you may encounter an option labeled Reset Site. If this appears, you may want to click on it for a quick fix to issues you are experiencing without dropping the site entirely. Be aware, though, that resetting does not carry out a full removal of ERPNext, but it could act as an intermediary solution to any issues without losing all data. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to removing ERPNext from your site using the Frapp Cloud dashboard. Remember, the key takeaway here is preparation. Always back up critical data before venturing into deletions. I hope this guide has made the process clear and understandable for you. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.